She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt.
Wall Street Mania, what is up? Yes, it's been a minute, but I am back. Been grinding. That's the best thing I can tell you. But if you do not know me, my name is Darius, and this is my YouTube channel. I also have a TikTok as well and a site if you want to learn how to trade. But let's jump into it. This is going to be my honest review of trade day, including actual real results and payouts. I will show you guys all this all in this one video setting. So let's jump into it. What is trade day that you ask yourself? Trade day is a trading prop firm similar to others. The only other one I have used is called Top Step. I did enjoy Top Step. I will say this, I'm not affiliate for trade day. I love this right here, and you guys will understand exactly why I love this one. This one is fire. You know what I'm saying? We ain't trying to waste no time. We are on trade day. Let's go to the pricing. Now, how does the pricing look? The cheapest one that you can purchase is a intraday trading evaluation, which is $69 a month. Now, this does include links with NinjaTrader, TradingView, and TraderVate. Okay, I use TraderVate as well. These two are linked together. You can use a 50K account, which is $69.99 or $69 a month. Your 100K, which is $140, and of course your 150, which is $210. Me personally, if you know how to trade, the 50K works perfect. With this, they are running a special. Now, what does that special mean? That means there is a no activation fee. Now, with Top Step, when I use Top Step, I had to pay $150 after the $50 in order to get into my funded account. With this one, you ain't got to do all that. You just got to pay $69 and they hook you up. Like, I freaking love them. Y'all better jump on this before they catch y'all and then start making y'all pay for real, for real. What does this include? Like most trading prop firms, in this sound, y'all heard that's my chair, okay? I ain't farting on here, all right, I promise. The profit target, just like most prop firms, is $3,000. You got to take $50,000 into $53,000. You do have a trailing max drawdown of $2,000. What does that mean? That means the more money you make, it trails you as it goes up. Once you reach 50,000 in trailing, it stops. It can never go past what of a contract you got. I don't even know if I just said that correctly. Anyway, the most contracts you can use 5 contracts for minis or 50 contracts for micros. If you are an NQ or an ES trader, you know exactly what I mean. I'm gonna log into my account real quick. I had to block. Oh, I'm already in it. So as you guys can see, and y'all can see my real name, I don't care, Darius Wallz. All right, cool. So I run 2 accounts. I have 2 accounts right now. I have my 50K evaluation, and I also have my funded sim account. Now, my funded sim account is the one that I'm getting actual real results and actual real money on. Let me lower this down so you guys can see this. But let's start with the let's start with the evaluation. On the left side, it's going to show you your dashboard. The cool thing with this, well, number one, I'll say this: you cannot trade news. Me personally, I'm Central Time. I trade from 8:30 to 10:30. You cannot trade 2 minutes before news or 2 minutes after news. If you guys want to know when news is going to hit, you can come over here to the event calendar, and legit, it will actually tell you what type of events are happening. Now, if you are using ES, NQ, or anything like that, the only one you need to focus on personally is going to be economic. And as you can see, 7:30, 1 o'clock, 7:30. This is the only thing you need to worry about. It literally tells you on their calendar. So they got this stuff all set. It's freaking dope. Dashboard. Now the cool thing is, before you need to get 7 days in order to become profitable. You have to have 7 days in order for you to pass your eval. Now they've went down to 5 days. You only need 5 days now. That was something I was highly requested, and they finally passed it. It's freaking dope. It also gives you your profit target, shows you exactly how far you are from your $3,000. You need to make sure you pass your days, your consistency rule. What is the consistency rule? Bottom line, to make it simple without having to calculate anything, do not make more than $900 a day. Remember, prop firms are looking for actual traders that they can go live on, okay? Meaning they don't want you just going out there and just trading just to trade and get lucky or gamble. They want you to be consistent. So $900 is what you cannot make more than, all right? 900 bucks. Now, next thing going down to is going to be, well, we got profit target. We got everything else. Boom. Tells you your account balance, tells you your max drawdown. It literally hooks you up and tells you every single thing. So there's no freaking way you should be confused on it. It's freaking dope. That's the one thing I would say that is above Top Step with this. Well, it's a number of things above Top Step, but this is the biggest thing for me personally. Now, once you pass this, once you pass your 50 to 53,000, they are going to send you an email. All right, so here's the email. Once you guys pass your account, Trade Day is going to send you this right here, and it's going to say, congratulations on passing your Trade Day eval. You're a funded trader with no monthly fees, which means that $69 does not come out each month. It completely stops. And then from that point, it's going to tell you the rules as far as a funded trader. Now, what does that mean when you become a funded trader? This is the fun part about things. You're going to have milestones for one. Every $5,000 that you make, you need to stop and email funded trader to let them know that you've reached their $5,000 milestone. And then they will either consider moving you over to a live account because you're good, or they'll say, hey, we're going to keep you as a funded trader, which means you can still make live money. How does that look though? They're going to send you a whole bunch of other stuff. They'll send you a Rise account. The Rise account is what you will use in order to get your payouts. And I am going to show you guys 2 payouts that I had actually taken last week. So a max drawdown is 50,000. How payouts work? You guys need to have a $2,000 buffer zone. Again, $50,000, they want you to make $52,000. Once you reach $52,000, that is your cushion, your buffer zone. Anything over $2,000 that you make, you get to keep 80% of it. Okay, I repeat that. Anything above $52,000, you get to keep 80% of that. And let me tell you, that stuff comes fast. I'm going to show y'all how fast this money came in. It was freaking cool. Now, as you can see from my account, I'm at $52,054. Now, you might be asking yourself, what he talking about? He just at 52. No, that's because I keep doing payouts. So I will show you guys that. And there is no consistency rule to this. You can just trade how you want to trade. But once you reach that, this right here is going to open up. Now, also going back to that buffer zone of the $52,000, you can pull from the $52,000, or you can pull from that $2,000 cushion. The only problem of pulling from your buffer zone is they take 50%. So the best thing is just keep $2,000 in there, trade over that, and then you can take 80. Now, what they do is, after you reach $20,000, if you are not already a live trader, from that point, anything over $50,000 that you make, I believe they said you start keeping 90% and then 95% or so like that. So that's that. I have not been welcome to become a live trader. I do believe it is coming because my trades are like, I take one trade a day, win or lose. I take a 1-to-1 ratio. And I will show you guys the results from just my trading plan, how good it works. I ain't gonna show y'all my trading plan. Y'all can go buy that. But I'm gonna show y'all how the Rise works. Count real quick. So some of this information I'm gonna have to block real quick. All right, so they just sent me my code 280839. Boom. All right, so now we're at the dashboard. Whenever you guys go for a withdrawal, they say that it takes about 24 hours. Anything after 5 o'clock, I think it's Central Time, it could be. It takes about 24 hours to process. Mine came super quick. I went for a request Friday and it came out the same day. I went for a request Saturday and it came out the same day. And I will show you this. My computer tripping right now. Right here to invoice. Another thing that's gonna happen whenever your money comes in, real quick. Whenever your money comes in, right where it says your name, it's going to actually show you the amount of money that's sent to you. And as you can see right here, these are my invoice. So October the 10th, I requested money. It came out October 10th, which was $997. Now remember, you get to keep 80%. So I requested $1274. To double check that, again, I have a TikTok channel that I post all this stuff on. But as you can see, I received $997.60. And then I have one that is from October 11th where I received $336. Now another thing too, because you know how, man, what is happening? So these are the results right here. I don't like to get too personal with y'all, because I don't know y'all. But it shows right here my total. So the total I've received this month alone is $1,333.60. I do plan tomorrow again to go into another trade. If that trade hits, I'm going to pull that out again, another 80%. You know, keep 80%. So we'll see. I'm shooting for a $500 day tomorrow, but we will see. If y'all want to know if I hit that, all y'all got to do is follow me. What the freak is happening? Sorry, y'all. So I would say that's definitely my honest review of this. And also too, I will show you guys my account. Let's see. Yeah, if you could probably see that. So if you see right there where it says real-time RiseWorks, that's $336, which is in my account. And RiseWorks 987. Sorry, this is like very hard, but there we go. Y'all can see that a little bit better. Same thing, RiseWorks 997. So it's a legit thing, guys. It's freaking dope. I love it. That's honestly my best review on it. Is if you guys want to do that, you don't want to use your real money, you can jump into a prop firm, or it's okay to use your real money, because I've used my real accounts as well. But if you just want to get a boost, you know what I mean? I put $69 in and I got $13.33 out of it. You know what I mean? And if we have a good day tomorrow, same thing, I'm snatching that. So worst case scenario, if I blew this account, I've already got more out of it than what I put into it. So that's all I got for y'all, Wall Street Mania. Again, continue to learn, continue to follow me. I love you guys. If you guys are new to my channel, you guys can check out a lot of my free stuff. You guys can go check out my course, or you can check me out on TikTok, where I try to post daily on Wall Street Mania. But that's all I got. And if you don't know me, I'm a full-on Jesus follower. I love him. You should love him too. Keep him first. Love y'all. Peace.